Fresh and clean, yeah. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Yeah. Someone when we step on the scene. Oh, I'm so blessed and free. Rebel when we step on the scene. Oh, I'm so fresh and clean.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are on a stretch of the Treasure Beach. Just a stretch of the beach. I have to thank you guys so much for the support that I've been getting. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Thank you guys for liking, for subscribing. Thanks for all the support that I've been getting. So now the reason why we're here at Treasure Beach, because me always think that Treasure Beach the water just too rough for swimming. Like look, it's legit too rough for swimming. So Treasure Beach to me is not really a place for swimming. So while we're out here today, we'll be going to the Floyd's Pelican bar. So the Floyd Pelican's bar is out on a sand spit out in the ocean. So we're going to see if we can get one of the boatmen them to carry out there. If hopefully the boat ride affordable, because if it's not affordable, we'll waste my time. This is something that I wanted to do for a long time now, but every week something come up and I have to put it off. So I'm glad to have you guys along for this journey, and hopefully you will enjoy. I think, boy, this look bleak, you know. Look like we can make it out to the bar, because I'm not seeing nobody out here who would have facilitated that. I want to see the boats. I'm not seeing nobody who would have facilitated bringing us out. And if somebody is though, you can tell say it's a bit expensive, because I would have just me alone. So I just talked to this man and his wife. Them live right on the beach side of it. So basically what they say is nobody now go out for the rest of the day. And I said, John, when we get joke. We're just talking to them, it sounds like might get a link. This man I go out to 3 o'clock at 12:30 now. But this man I go out 3 o'clock. Hopefully 3 o'clock I can go with it. Probably we not gonna go based on the situation. But I gonna go anyway, you see. So I have basically I have 3 hours to kill till the boat are gonna left. Yes, so this is the boat that's supposed to be going out. Hopefully we can tag along. Yeah. So the bar is supposed to be roughly 25 to 30 minutes out. To the new people, subscribe and hit the post notification, so as soon as the next video posts, you get to know, yeah? You see, let me see, I take off my shoes now and thing, but just tell me one, remember know in the comments what you think about the look. You see, because I plan to buy some more, so just let me know if it's a look with it. You see it? Alright, so it's about 2 o'clock now. I go back in the square area, go find this little local restaurant named Diners Delight. Trust me, anytime you come by this side, just check them out. Good customer service and the food nice. I get little water when I'm done. So I go back on the beach now, go tough out the next hour until the people reach. Alright, so by the time I go eat the food, by the time I go eat the food and come back, the place definitely get more lively. You have more people here. You have boats that come in, the man them pull in the boat them. So start up the boat now. The only thing is, the people, them are go to the sunset. So that means is either I'm gonna go or I'm gonna come back extremely late. So I'm gonna come back late. Brother, the sun a beat. If you think say the sun a beat, and if you think say what I go travel in this sun, go over, oh no, it's going to be terrible. So you see like some other people come here, look like local people, you know. But just this is promising. So we're going to the bar. That's the good part. Yo, it's kind of like jam-packed, but I never expected it to be so packed. Kind of well packed. This is not really conducive to vlogging. I'm gonna have enough space to move around and take kind of fun, but it's a nice ride. Now, me like idiot left my wallet in the boat. Huh? Eh? Monday where I come from, man.
Like a real African. I swear.
General, give me one. Light beer. Give me a Cyril, give me a Cyril.
You know that's cola in lemon cola.
Lemon no cola either.
Lemon cola.
Give me lemon.
Huh? Have no Pepsi, boss? Yeah, man.
It's a like fortunate opportunity to get to like talk to the place kind of well, but it's a clear up now because it's getting late, so it kind of clear up a bit. So probably from now on I'll be more interactive. Would recommend taking a trip there, definitely, but it's such a tranquil area. It's a nice place for vibe, you see it? But I would recommend doing it with company. It's a nice chill spot for you and the crew. Well, I guess if you want, well, I guess it can work for you alone if you just need like a quiet place to be like, it could work for you. Yeah? It's not the clearest of day, like you can see it based on the sky. It's not the clearest of day, so you're not gonna see how beautiful it really is to the max, but I tell you, it is. It's worth it. Some scammer there though, guys. So the man them charge people for ride the plane in the wood. Like, when they say a man sell a cliff, just a regular weed cliff, for 50 euros, the man sell it for. Yeah, man say, have you ever tried Jamaica? And what do I? When I said no, I'm not try Jamaica. I mean, the money out there scam the man them. Like, I'm legit afraid for hold it up, guys. That's what itself from there. Seem like the people when we coming ready. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, that little sound box there, kicking music still, you know. I'll bring her on the boat for you. We'll just jump back on, head over. To experience for someone to rock and roll. To experience to be taken for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish pride. She aches the side.
Goodbye, Pelican. I think I'm a bam bam. Look what's all Jamaican. Real different style, different fashion. You know? Tell me say one thing and see if you understand.
Hey, you know what, I put up this, you know. This boat I jumped so much, I put up this.
One thing and see if you understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Just some of them a ask me where me get it from.
We just came in. I'm going to wrap up the video now, so guys, thank you for the support you always give. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you guys for following me on this journey. Don't be afraid to comment what you think my next outing could be. Any recommendations you have, just put them down in the comments and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you guys so much. To the new subscribers, welcome to the clan. Hit notifications so that you get the next post once it is posted, and I'll see you in the next one.